Today, we'll talk about the pilot stage in your RPA journey and how it serves as an important starting point for your RPA program. For the sake of simplicity, we'll break up your RPA journey into 4 maturity stages. Your first bots are built during the adoption or early stage. This includes your pilot projects and can also include proof of concepts. Here's where you will broaden your understanding of RPA and get hands-on experience to learn what is required for building bots and what it takes to be successful. The next stage involves the refinement of your bots and goals. After building a few bots, you need to make sure that your RPA program is meeting its objectives. If it is, how do you replicate that success? If it's not, what do you need to change before trying to get the rest of your organization on board? Here's where you define your discovery and implementation patterns in order to confidently replicate and measure the continued success of your RPA program. The growth and scaling phase is where you push to replicate the successes you've had across the broader organization. Here's where you need to set other business units up for success. There are opportunities abound, but you need to be sure to effectively communicate what an RPA program looks like, how to measure its progress, and how it will affect day-to-day operations of everybody involved. Finally, you'll reach a stage where RPA is an intrinsic part of your organization and culture. By now, your teams will be accustomed to working with and relying on bots. Once the low-hanging fruit and quick win opportunities start to become exhausted, it's a good time to introduce more advanced technologies in order to open up additional areas of opportunity. This may include machine learning and artificial intelligence. Let's focus specifically on the pilot stage for now, as it lays the foundation for the future of the RPA program. Let's go over some of the goals for a pilot program. The ultimate end goal of a pilot is to put the bots to work. By making it to this milestone, you will have gone through all of the necessary steps it takes to discover and produce an automation solution. Your first bots have the added responsibility of being compelling. Their purpose is not only to produce sufficient ROI, but also to serve as ambassadors to the RPA program as a whole. Therefore, it's a good idea to make the bots relatable. Bots that deal with systems or processes that resonate with other parts of the business. There's no better way to get people excited about RPA than to show them something that they can identify with. In order to spread the word about your RPA program, you'll need to produce content. During the pilot phase, you'll be getting first-hand experience in how to discover automation opportunities, how to perform ROI calculations, how to get started, everything that a successful RPA project requires. Showing off the bots that you've built during this stage will give your teams assurance that they too can be successful. Your RPA program will likely gain a lot of traction and notoriety after sharing it amongst your organization. You'll need to be prepared to answer questions and concerns regarding RPA implementations. Keep this in mind during the pilot phase, because you'll answer many of these questions yourselves as you deliver your first bots. The last thing to remember is that some of the artifacts and materials that you produce during this phase can and should be reused. You should start building up a repository of templates and best practices that others can use as a starting point. This is an important step to building a successful RPA program and enabling your teams to be successful faster. It seems like a lot to do, and it's not always straightforward. Here at BP3, we've helped to lead our customers through these various stages in order to establish successful and valuable RPA programs. Let us help you with your automation journey to do the same. Thanks for watching.